Why you should learn networking as an ethical hacker. Picture this. You're the ethical hacker who just hacked the neighbor's Wi-Fi by guessing password 123, only to realize the real magic was in the packets flying invisibly around you. Networking isn't just wires and routers, it's the hidden nervous system of every device. And without speaking its language, you're swinging in the dark. Professionally speaking, ethical hacking demands precision, not luck. Understanding TCP, IP subnets, and routing turns your scans from noisy guesses into surgical strikes. Educatively, networks reveal how data travels, where it leaks, and exactly how attackers, or defenders, exploit those paths. Knowledge that separates hobbyists from pros who land real bug bounties and red team gigs. If this resonates, smash that like button, drop a comment with your biggest networking struggle, and subscribe for weekly practical deep dives that actually level up your skills. The link to everything we discuss is in the description. Let's build this community together. Now imagine you're on a penetration test for a mid-sized company. Their firewall looks solid from the outside, but you've just discovered an exposed RDP port on a misconfigured subnet. Without networking fundamentals, you'd waste hours brute forcing blindly. With them, you map the topology in minutes using Nmap's SN and O flags, identify the broadcast domain, and pivot straight to the domain controller via a forgotten lateral movement path. That's the power of practical networking. It transforms reconnaissance from a chore into your superpower. Let's get hands-on. Fire up Wireshark on your lab VM, Kali or Parrot OS recommended. Capture traffic during a simple ping or HTTP request. You'll literally watch the three-way handshake unfold, SYN, ACK, and spot anomalies like unusual TTL values that scream someone's spoofing packets. This isn't theory. It's the exact skill that lets you detect and replicate man-in-the-middle attacks in controlled environments. Practice ARP poisoning with EtherCap or BetterCap on your home lab switch. Then watch how easy it is to intercept credentials once you understand broadcast domains and MAC tables. Sticking with me? Good, because the next layer gets even more practical. Wireless networks are where most real-world breaches start. Learn 802, 11-frame structure, beacon frames, and the four-way handshake, and suddenly cracking WPA2 PSK with AirCrack NG or Hashcat becomes methodical instead of magical. Set up a test access point with HostAPD, associate your client, capture the handshake, and crack it offline. Networking knowledge tells you why DOS attacks work, how to stay stealthy on the channel, and how to avoid kicking yourself off the network mid-test. To level up faster, grab the highly rated Practical Ethical Hacking Bundle on Udemy. It includes dedicated modules on network enumeration, protocol abuse, and lab setups that mirror what we just walked through. Pair it with the Amazon bestseller Networking All-in-One for Dummies, or the more advanced TCP/IP Illustrated, for reference during your builds. Both links are waiting in the description, perfect companions for turning these concepts into muscle memory. Here's where it gets career-changing. In bug bounty programs, hunters who understand routing, VLANs, and firewall evasion consistently find the juiciest findings like SSRF via internal network pivots or DNS rebinding that others miss. During incident response gigs, you'll trace lateral movement across segmented networks because you know how switches, forward frames, and routers make decisions. Build a simple GNS3 or Cisco packet tracer lab tonight. Connect 3 routers, add a couple of vulnerable VMs, and practice ACLs and NAT. You'll see exactly why a single misconfigured route can expose an entire enterprise. Don't stop at theory, run a full simulated engagement this weekend. Start with passive OS fingerprinting. Move to active scanning with Masscan for speed. Then exploit a Metasploit module that relies on proper socket handling. Notice how every successful step traces back to networking intuition. That's why the best ethical hackers obsess over it. It multiplies the effectiveness of every other tool in your arsenal. By the end of this journey, you'll not only spot vulnerabilities faster, but explain them clearly to clients, building trust and repeat business. Networking is the foundation that makes your ethical hacking practical, repeatable, and respected. Thanks for watching all the way through. Drop your lab setup questions in the comments and let's troubleshoot together. Like if this clicked, subscribe for reels, and check those Udemy and Amazon links in the description to keep the momentum going. Your next big find starts with the network. See you in the next one.